So guys, in the last video we have seen the laws and the principles of the engineering mechanics. So the final concept is the parallelogram law, which is used to find the analysis of forces to find the resultant. So here I am having a certain irregular body which in a point A the force is applied in this direction F1 and a certain force which is applied in this direction F2. In order to find the resultant, I am going to draw the object in a free space like this F1 and F2, which may be acting in some other theta directions. So if I draw a parallelogram, we have already know that it is a parallelogram. The property of parallelogram is if here is theta, then here also theta. If here is F2, then here it is also F2. So it has some inclinations. You can note that. Now we can resolve these forces. Uh, Here it becomes F2 sine theta. Here become F2 cos theta. This is F1. Okay. Now we have to find if two forces represent the shape sides of the parallelogram, then the diagonal of this parallelogram is known as resultant R. So consider, and the angle between the F1 and R is alpha. So consider the triangle R, I mark it as O A B. In triangle AOB, I am taking Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse square equal to the adjacent square plus the opposite square. So we get R square is equal to OB is nothing but F1 plus F2 cos theta the whole square plus AB is nothing but F2 sin theta the whole square. So R is gives, this is A plus B form, so F1 R square is F1 square plus F2 cos theta cos square to F2 square cos square theta plus 2 into F1 F2 cos theta, okay, plus F2 square sin square theta. If R equal to root of this F1 square plus F2 square, here you can see the F2 square is common with cos square and sin square. So I'm taking cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 into F1 F2 cos theta. We know that cos square plus sin square equal to 1. So I'm replacing this, we get F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 into F1 F2 cos theta. This is the value of resultant which you are going to find. Okay, in order to find the direction of alpha, we know that tan alpha is equal to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite is nothing but the F2 sin theta. The adjacent is nothing but F1 plus F2 cos theta. So F2 sin theta divided by F1 plus F2 cos theta. Tan alpha is equal to tan inverse of F2 sin theta by F1 plus F2 cos theta. This is the value of the direction and the magnitude of resultant can be found by these formulas. So this is the parallelogram law. On the next video we are going to see the we can analyze the problems using this parallelogram law, okay, and the characteristics of forces.